Hey friends, it's Danielle. I'm back on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel with a digital Bible journaling process video using the What Jesus Needs sticker book and the Creative Retreat digital journaling Bible. Be sure to check out my previous videos on digital Bible journaling. We're working in the Goodnotes app. Today I'm going to be highlighting the highlight tool to show how we can use it to create a ink and wash effect. I have my Bible already open to John 4, and today I'm focusing on verse 4, and I'll start by just highlighting that verse so it stands out. Grab a pink color in my highlighter tool, and I'll highlight that verse, he needed to pass through Samaria. Now I'll zoom back out and I'll go over to my sticker book on the right hand side, and I'm going to grab one of those linear flower designs and click and drag it over. I'm using my selection tool and then long pressing the sticker and dragging it across the page. And now there's a copy of it in my journaling Bible margin. Today I'm going to be focusing on the highlighter tool, layering it up and giving it some depth with different thicknesses and different colors. So I'm starting with the pink here, and I'm turning off the option to draw in a straight line because we want to be able to draw freely. So I'm just loosely scribbling behind that sticker, kind of like there's messy watercolor behind it, and then we've kind of stamped on top of it. So I'm using that pink, and in a couple of places I've overlapped it so it gives it more opacity. Now I'm going to go grab a purple color, and I'm going to mix that in just a little bit so that it looks like there's some layer to it. Kind of splotch in some of that purple to mix in with the pink. And so now I'm going to go grab some of that peach, and I'll mix that in as well to give it another hue. Just loosely coloring in the background behind that sticker. Just giving it a few highlights with that peach color highlighter. So you get a multicolor effect behind there. I'm going to go grab another flower from the sticker sheet. I'm going to click and drag that one over as well and size it down and do the same method behind this one with the 3 different colors. So grab my highlighter tool. I already have my peach color selected, so I'll do a couple of swatches of that. And then you can go into your history in your highlighter colors, and it will remember the last few colors that you selected or that you mixed yourself. And so I can go back and use the exact same purple and the exact same pink that I used on the other flower sticker. And I'll fill that in with some purple. And then I can go right back up there, go to my history tab, click on my latest pink, minimize that window, and then I can go in and highlight a little bit of that with that same pink highlighter. So there we have it. I have my 2 flowers with a multicolored background, and now I can round out my title. What I was focusing on with this verse and this entire devotional this month is that Jesus came to fulfill the mission that was given to him. He came to fulfill the Father's will, and that was his highest priority. So here in John 4, he's coming to meet the woman at the well in Samaria, and he needed to pass through Samaria in order to meet her and in order to fulfill his heavenly Father's will. And now I could leave this page as is with the multicolored ink and wash flowers, or I can change up the color. So I'd like to show you another Goodnotes tool that I've really been loving lately. With the lasso tool set to select my handwriting only, I can carefully circle the highlighted areas where we drew with the highlighter, and then single click to bring up this pop-up menu, and then choose color. I'll choose one color from our color selector, and then every part of the highlighted area that we drew is now converted to a single color. And because I use the highlighter tool, some areas are more transparent than others. Then I'll repeat this same process on the other flower, and so now both have that monochromatic look. Leave a comment below and tell me which one you prefer, the multicolor or the monochromatic one. Also, feel free to leave any questions that you may have about this process, or give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll have everything that I used in the description below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed so you won't miss our next process video. Until next time, have fun!